All right, Vegas, it's been real. We are actually heading to our next destination.
In our last video, we enjoyed Las Vegas, Nevada, but now we're heading 4 hours west and heading to Los Angeles, California. But first, we gotta get our roadside attraction snacks.
Were you even on a road trip if you didn't buy roadside attraction souvenirs?
I got some jerky now. I got some abducted cow jerky, that's what it said.
After stopping for snacks, we drove 2 more hours to get to our first Los Angeles area attraction. Welcome to the Warner Brothers Studios.
And this is how the movies are made.
While on the Warner Brothers Studio Tour, you're able to walk along the streets where some of your favorite movies and television shows were filmed, such as Casablanca, Spider-Man, Gilmore Girls, Annie, The Big Bang Theory, Ellen, and Friends.
There are still active sets here at the Warner Brothers, what is this called? At Warner Brothers Studio. This is a walking tour, so I do recommend you wear shoes that you can be able to be on your feet. Yes, we are on a golf cart, but there are so many parts where right now we are at the scene where they filmed the famous intro for Friends, and you can see that picture right here. And we're super excited. This is an hour and 10-minute tour, and then there's also another section where you spend like another hour throughout the museum where you can actually go on some of the most popular sets similar to Big Bang Theory and Friends. They even have the set from Friends. Look.
For my Full House fans, we have the apartment right there. It is based on a real apartment in San Francisco. Going back to the Gremlins, this was also the neighborhood in the Gremlins. Over here on the left, this was Mrs. Deagle's house. Perfect.
And of course there's a gift shop. There's also a cafe, the Central Park Cafe, and there's a whole other part that we still haven't gone to. We have to get on the trolley and they will take us over to Harry Potter. Not only is this area for Harry Potter, it is also the area for all of our DC heroes like Superman, Batman, Wonder Woman, and the Flash. Aquaman also.
One of my favorite parts of the tour was the interactive studio where the movie magic is made. We made costumes, saw celebrity audition tapes, created voiceovers, and saw how green screens actually create images.
Get ready to record.
Happy Christmas, Harry.
Happy Christmas, Ron. What are you wearing?
Oh, Mum made it. Looks like you got one too.
I've got presents.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Oh my gosh.
Happy Christmas, Harry.
Happy Christmas, Ron. What are you wearing?
Oh, Mum made it. Looks like you got one too.
I've got presents.
Yeah.
That wasn't very British.
Penny. It was 4 times, right?
Yeah, something like that.
And now we make it to costumes and witchcraft wand choreography.
Well, you heard of the license.
Bring your left side across, your left arm to protect your center. Keep your eye on the target at all times. Now, let's see you try that.
So we started this tour at 1:30. The time is now 4:15. I don't know if you can see that. That's how long the tour was. And it doesn't feel like it's been more than an hour. It went by so quickly because you're having so much fun. If you think that you normally don't like doing tours, don't think that. If you think that coming to Hollywood and you're just so against doing the Hollywood tours, again, don't think that. This is worth every penny. It was interactive, informative, and extremely hands-on. I mean, it was $60. I have zero regrets. I hope that seeing this video, you'll have zero regrets once you come. I can't wait. Let me know in the comments if you come. Hollywood Studio Tours, Warner Brothers Studio Tours. It is dinner time, and let me tell you guys the place to go. So I love plane spotting. So I am here at, of course, In-N-Out Burgers. Across the street from the airport, I can see the planes take off. I can see them fly right over my head. So I am gonna show you guys how close we are. It is nuts. Here it comes, here it comes. Also, the weather here is nuts because we just took the Warner Brothers tour, and you might have seen that I was in a spaghetti strap shirt. I have on that same shirt, a sweatshirt, and a jacket. I am cold right now, but it's so worth it to sit outside and watch the planes come. I think one's coming. Do you hear it? No, I got excited. The secret sauce, it is just the most basic burger, and it is so, so good.
Here's another one.
It is 8 o'clock in the morning. It's whale watching season. Actually, in California, all year long is whale watching season, and we are going on a boat. Did I go on vacation if I didn't get on a boat?
Starting out, I was extremely apprehensive about the tour. Wildlife sightings are not guaranteed. It was 41 degrees. We were going to be sitting outside on a moving vessel, and the sun was nowhere in sight. Before I completely turn you off from this attraction, we ended up having a really great time. Look at this. We had immediate views of the Long Beach Harbor, the Queen Mary Ocean Liner, Princess cruise ships, and the Long Beach Container Port. Now let's go see some wildlife. Within just 30 minutes of being on the tour, we found over 1,000 common-nosed dolphins feeding. At one point, they had the boat completely surrounded. They were in the front, the back, and on both sides, and it was such a sight to take in. This is the most amount of dolphins I have ever seen.
1,000.
Over 1,000 are here. I can't. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. I did mention this was a whale watching tour, right? We were able to see two, not one, two gray whales as they migrated and fed off the coast of California. The camera couldn't even give this spectacle justice, and you could see it so much better with the naked eye, and I had such a hard time focusing on the camera because I wanted to see it with my bare eyes instead of through a lens. We were out on the water earlier this morning. This afternoon we're going to keep on with that same trend. We are actually getting ready to get on the water bikes here in Long Beach. Long Beach water bike tours provide such a great outlet for a great sunny day like today. Thankfully, the sun came out, so for only $25 and a signed waiver, we were given a life jacket, a few instructions, and then we were ready to head out onto the water. Just to be prepared, we did bring water shoes for this activity, but I don't think it's required because my shoes didn't get wet until I actually put my foot in the water intentionally. I was feeling extremely optimistic about this activity, and then I started pedaling. Cheers to new experiences out here on the water boats. I'm tired. Oh my gosh, I feel out of shape. And it is motorized boats out here as well. Open ocean that way. Beach this way, open ocean that way. So we really have to be mindful while we're out here and also remember where we came from. So we had to landmark it so we can make it back because we are in a bay, but it is so many different channels where we could go down. So God, I'm so out of shape.
Yeah.
Is it hard?
It is.
Yeah, it's really hard. Man, what I'd give for a motor right now. Like that. Now, because this is a bay and harbor, there is a lot of motorized boat activity as well as sailboat activity. So you do want to be mindful of your surroundings while you're out here. But I did want to highlight there was a competition for children for sailboating. And I did think that was cute because I have never seen, these kids couldn't be older than 10 years old. And they were doing it.
We're gonna insert some Rocky music right here.
We are pedaling against the current right now. So it's making our job a lot harder.
Ergo, Rocky music. She's struggling so hard right now. She's being such a trooper. The struggle is real. She is hating this.
I can only imagine all the people watching us are laughing because we're all pedaling super hard and going nowhere. I know we look so stupid.
Fist pump it.
I think this is one of those thank God for land kind of
Right.
moments.
Jump up and down.
California, it's been real. It's been so fun. It's time for us to go catch a flight. And just like that, we are back in the Midwest, getting ready to head home. It has been such an experience these last few days. Thank you guys so much for following along. I have no idea when I'm going somewhere, but I'm so glad you guys are always with me. Until then, Candid Cami Travels is out.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Subscription down below. Don't forget to hit that button, and we'll see you on the next video.